Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to schedule a shutdown timer. Open command prompt. Now type shutdown/s/t60. Press enter. This means your computer will shut down after 60 seconds. You can change 60 to any number of seconds. The system notifies that the system will shut down in a minute. If you want to cancel the shutdown, type shutdown/a. Press enter. We are notified that the shutdown has been canceled. If you want to shut down the system after 1 hour, then type shutdown/s/t3600. This will shut down your computer after 1 hour. Let us shut down this system after 5 seconds. Type shutdown/s/t5. Press enter. Let's wait for 5 seconds. And that's it.